Hey y'all, it's Kathy Bo. I'm just coming in to tell you that the September 2020 Paper Pumpkin is here. Yay! Do want to tell you about the kit. We're going to open it up right now, but I want to share with y'all also because my fingernails are weird. Tuesday will be 2 weeks that I have had these. Anyway, they're Color Street, and they're just like a film that you put on your nails. These are not colors I would have chosen, but this is what was sent to me as a sample, and I'm really hard on fingernail polish. So I was trying these out, and as far as I'm concerned, it's a big win. I didn't put them on properly, so I didn't get 10, but I did get 5. Actually 6, but I took this one off. Okay, so here we go. We're going to open up this month's Paper Pumpkin, and this is September 2020. So I will expect it to be fall, of course, by looking at the color of the box, which really, I'm not a fan of those bright orange boxes, so I kind of like this one. Let's see what, well, we got a preview of Christmas, and it says Joy to the World. This will be in the October kit, and you have to subscribe by October 10. Anytime September through October 10 to subscribe to this. And you just go to paperpumpkin.com and please choose me as your demonstrator. These are $22. This is just in the US. All right, so we have stamps. Let's see, we have a Happy Halloween. We got a witch's hat with a bunch of pumpkin stuff. We've got a jack-o'-lantern face, another one. We've got a pumpkin here, the little fall leaves, a little flower, a little leaf. Give thanks, hello pumpkin, and trick or treat, spooky and sweet. That's what they say. I've got no use for Halloween cards, but they listened because a lot of us don't do Halloween. We live in a rural area and we don't have trick-or-treaters, and my grandchildren don't do Halloween, so we don't need it. So the October, or rather the September kit has traditionally been really exclusive Halloween. So I'm glad this year they've listened and it's not that way. The stamping spot we got is Cajun Craze. Love that color. And let's look at the kit. Oh, all right. I see the tissue paper is white this time instead of the very pretty, like a baby blue color. And it looks like we have a bunch of treats, little treat things. And of course, I will be looking for alternative projects because we don't have any trick-or-treaters. But I know there's a lot of things we can do with this. I just don't know what yet. So let's look and see what's in it. Okay. We'll look at the kit contents here. Always when you get your kit, there's this great visual aid here that just tells you exactly how they're going to look when you finish making them if you follow the directions here. And super simple. Step 1, 2, 3. You don't even have to read it. But it's very well written, very well described. And I know if you hear something in the background, it's these 2 dogs that are play fighting right beside me. Ah, there they go. There's even a ruler here that goes to 9 inches, which is really great because you can use that to see how much twine you're supposed to use. It has a list of everything in your kit. This has the stamp set, the ink, baker's twine, some double-sided cracker boxes. I guess that's what these are. Die cut pieces and labels, laser cut pieces, dimensionals, adhesive dots, and adhesive strips. It even tells you what coordinating colors to use. So if you want to do alternative projects such as these, or others that you might decide to do, here are some color suggestions. Alrighty. So these are the little cracker boxes. They're cute. Let's see. Yeah, they go like this. I'm just going to go ahead and show you one. So we'll see one in person. Okay. Husband's alarm was going off. It usually goes off when he's outside, and I'm in here with it. Okay, yeah, so this would just kind of go like this, and boom, and there you go. You put the treats in there, okay? So we'll look and see some, I'm already thinking of some cute stuff this will work with, but we'll see. Got all these little pieces, which could be something also. I think that would be cute across the top of a card or down the side. Very fall colors. It doesn't have to be Halloween. And of course, don't forget, anytime you have something, you know, like this is clearly orange, but you could come back with a with one of these brushes like this and some ink and just change that background if you want to. Okay, and this is, oh, the little die cuts. There's kitty cats. These are clearly Halloween kitty cats. Oh dear, look at that. There's two. Fix his little ear. There we go. Can you see those? There we go. And kitty cats. I had both sheets. There's some little flowers. They're black. Little black flowers. Alrighty then. And more kitty cats and more flowers. That's all there is on these two. Okay, and then this one has, can you see all the different shapes? Now these would be really cool to use in a lot of ways, and I think this would be a great little stencil to use. That would be fun. 2 sheets of those. Then we have, all right, let's see if you can see these. There's leaves and some little flowers, and it repeats. Same thing in the green and the brown. It's almost it looks like the same leaves. Yeah. These two, yeah. These 2 leaves are repeated. See if you can see that. They are repeated in all 3 of these, and then these little flowers are repeated. They're kind of larger in these. All right, we got 2 sheets of that. Oh, no, wait, 3. Uh-oh, hold on. That feels like, yep, 4. Okay, and then we have 2 sheets of what would be like labels. You see the little flowers on there. Now that I can use all year, every year. I mean, all the time. It's just like super cute. Laser, or rather die cuts here. Maybe they are laser cut, I don't know. Okay, we got more flowers here. The little witches' hats. The pumpkins. These would be super cute to use on a Halloween card or a fall card, either one. Love those. 4 sheets of those. And these are little squiggles. That's the best way I can describe them, is squiggles. I'll punch one out here. These dogs are so silly. There you go. Little squiggle. Okay. We've got this brown color and green. And then it looks like just 1 sheet of those. And then 2 sheets of these, which are the squiggles and these that also make a good stencil. 2 sheets of those. Okay. All right. And then we have, I love that Paper Pumpkin gives you everything you need. We have twine, black and white. You can use this all the time. I mean, and another thing too, if you complete every single project in this box, you're going to still have leftovers. You're going to have twine left over. You're probably going to have, this looks like adhesive strips. You'll have probably some of those left over. These glue dots. And the full-sized Stampin' Dimensionals. These are little foam, you can see how thick they are. They're little foam adhesive hexagons, and they're adhesive on both sides. So there we have it. This is the September 2020 paper pumpkin, and I hope that you'll make some really cool things. And please do like my video, and please do subscribe. Trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. Wouldn't that be cool? I think we're around 695, 700, something like that. So we're trying to get to 1,000. So please do subscribe. Please do share. And if you're going to sign up for Paper Pumpkin, you can get it for the month of October, or you can subscribe for a regular subscription where it comes every month. You can give it as a gift. I love Paper Pumpkin. It's got, your first one will come with a block, and everything you need to make all the projects in the kit will be right there. So there you go. What more do you need? Thanks so much for visiting. God bless. And I'm on Facebook as Kathy Bohannon Creatively Blessed. And I'm live on, right now it's on Tuesday nights, every Tuesday night, 8 o'clock Eastern Time. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.